Very good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Sujata Funde from Pratibha International School. I welcome you all in today's session of Value Education class. Students, as we all know that we have finished with our two lessons, right? And we have learned two values also. So today we are going to learn a lesson, and even we are going to learn new value from that lesson. We are going to learn the new value from the story. But before starting that, I would like to show you something. You are supposed to listen. Okay, I'm going to read the passage which we all can see on the screen. You are going to listen it very properly. Okay, so listen carefully. As you are running, run down the stairs. A boy pushes you. You hurt your knee. You are in pain. You are also angry that the boy who pushed you did not even stop to help you or say sorry. I will push him harder and walk away. Then he will know how I am feeling. You think angrily. Sometimes our family and friends hurt us by what they say and do. We carry that hurt in our heart, and after a while it becomes heavy. We become angry and wish to hurt the other person. In turn, hurting them back will make the other person angry, but it will not make us happy. Instead of hurting back, we must learn to forgive others. Forgiveness means saying, I am sorry to the person you caused hurt. This will help us put our anger away and be friends with them again. Forgiving the person who has hurt us makes the person happy. It also makes us happy. If you hurt someone, would not you like that person to forgive you too? Let's read about two girls who learned to forgive and be happy. Now, students, from this passage we can uh, conclude that forgiveness is very important in our life, right? Sometimes what happens that someone if someone hurts you, at that time what do you feel, what do we feel, that we should also hurt to that particular person, okay, because of our angry feelings towards that person. But students, do you know that this feeling is not good? Okay, that means we are not supposed to be angry on that person, because we should learn to forgive that person. And here you can see that I have circled some words. So I am sorry, I have circled for what? Forgiveness means saying I am sorry. Okay, happy, that means what? Forgiving the person who has hurt us makes the person happy. It also makes us happy. So when we forgive to the person who has hurt us, it can make that person also happy, and even it can make us also happy. Okay, so students, now in today's session we are going to learn forgiveness value. Okay, to forgive others, that we are going to learn. So students, now we are going to see one small video, so watch it very carefully. So now students, are you ready to watch the video? Please watch it very carefully.
Sham, who was a rich merchant, had a servant, Gopal.
Gopal is with me for many years. I am really lucky to get such a loyal, honest, and hardworking servant.
Gopal also worked happily for his master.
Radha, it's time for me to leave for work. Where are you? Why are you still lying?
I'm not feeling well, even unable to get up. You carry on. I will manage.
Okay.
Gopal, why do you look sad?
My wife is not well, sir.
Oh, then why don't you take leave?
No problem, sir. She can manage.
Days passed.
Oh, Radha, you are still not cured. We need 500 rupees for your treatment. As of now, I don't have money. Only God has to help us.
The same day,
Gopal, while going home, take this 500 rupees and money order it to my mother.
Yes, sir.
Gopal started to post office in the evening.
500 rupees? If I take this money, I can buy medicines for my wife. I will send the money to her later.
Gopal with double mind, went home.
What is that? Disturbing you?
Nothing. I have made arrangements for your treatment.
How did you manage?
That I have arranged it.
No, you better tell me the truth.
That listen, our master gave me this money to be sent to his mother.
Oh my god. And that money? You have brought it here?
Yes.
It's wrong, dear. I don't want to be treated with this money. First thing in the morning, you go to the post office.
Next day, Gopal did as per his wife's word and then reached Sham's house.
Sir, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
What are you saying?
Gopal narrated everything.
I am to be blamed for this. I should have helped him. I feel ashamed. Gopal, I am sorry. You take this money and treat your wife. And from this month, your salary is increased by 500 rupees.
Thus, both realized their mistake and corrected themselves.
So students, in video we have seen that how it is important, how much it is important to forgive others. Okay, so students, now here we can see the name of our third lesson, that is forgiving others. Okay, that means forgiving others is the value which we are going to learn from today's lesson, and the name of our lesson is let go of the hurt and move on. So students, now we are going to start with our story. We are going to learn how to forgive others. We are going to learn the value forgiving others. Okay, so students, please listen carefully. This is the story of two friends, Varsha and Parna. Okay, so students, once upon a time there were two friends, Varsha and Parna. Varsha and Parna were playing with the Parna's new toy, that is train set, which we all can see on the screen. Okay, they both loved the bright colors of the train coaches, even the train signal toy also, and even they loved the track on which the railway ran round and round. Okay, so they were enjoying the train set, and suddenly Parna said that I love this toy. This is my best toy ever. She said, to which toy? I'll show you. Can you see this? This is train signal. So now students, I would like to show you that this is the girl. Yes, the girl who is there with red t-shirt, that is Parna, and the girl who is there with, the girl who is there with the yellow dress, she is Varsha. Okay, so she is Varsha. So Parna said that this is my best toy ever. Varsha also thought the same, and what happened, students, do you know? She picked up the toy. She picked up the toy of the train signal, and suddenly what happened? It flashed the red and green lights. When she picked up the toy from the floor, it flashed the red and green lights, and suddenly the signal slipped and fell down to the floor. Okay, so we know that the train signal was the best toy of Varsha and Parna also. But when Varsha picked up the train signal, at that time what happened? It cracked and it fell on the floor. Okay, so after that what happened? The red light cracked a little. Now I am going to show you next picture. Yes, so students, here can you see? I'll show you. See this. This is the red signal and it cracked little. Okay, a red signal cracked little after fell on the floor. So afterwards what happened? Now Parna was very upset, as we all can see on the screen. That can you see her angry face? See, this is Parna and she is very angry. Okay, and we can see that Parna was very upset. Oh no, what she said to the Varsha? Oh no, this is my best toy ever. Okay, but you have broken my toy, she said to the Varsha, and Varsha started crying. Okay, she started crying, and Parna said to Varsha that go away Varsha, I will never play with you again, go away. But students, do you know afterwards what happened? Varsha said to Parna that I didn't mean to break the toy. Okay, even I also like the signal toy, but I didn't mean to break the toy. So she said, I am sorry to Parna. Varsha said, I am sorry to Parna. Students, do you know that Varsha was saying sorry to Parna so many times? So many times. Okay, continuously she was saying sorry to Parna, but Parna was not ready to listen Varsha. Varsha said that no, you have broken my toy. Please go away. Okay, go away and never come to my home again, she said angrily. So students, here we can see that Varsha burst into the tears. Can we see here? See, little poor girl Varsha, right? She started crying and she went out of her friend's house, that is Parna's house. So hearing all this noise, what happened? Parna's mother came. Parna's mother came and she asked to Parna that what's happening here. Okay, Parna's mother came and she asked to Parna that what's happening here. So Parna showed her cracked toy to her mother. Okay, she showed her toy to mother and she said to her mother that see mama, my toy is broken. Okay, can you see this? She showed the broken toy to her mother and she said that Varsha broke my toy. Then Parna's mother was checking her toy and Parna's mother said to Parna that it's not broken completely, it can join again. Okay, that's a very small crack and it's not completely broken, we can join it again. Okay, and you can play it with it again. And students, do you know, even Parna's mother said to Parna that Varsha didn't mean to break the toy. Okay, by mistakenly the toy is broken, but I think that Varsha didn't mean to break the toy. Who said? Parna's mother said to Varsha. Okay. Then, do you know what Parna said? No, mama, she broken my toy purposely. Okay, she broken my toy purposely and I am not going to play with Varsha again, she said to her mother. Okay, she said that I am not going to play with Varsha again because she broken my favorite toy. So, students, afterwards, do you know what happened? Parna's mother said to Parna that remember last week you broken my favorite vase. Okay, vase means the flower pot in which we keep the flowers, right, students? So, Parna's mother said to Parna that remember you broken my favorite vase last week. But I at that time what happened, what her mother said, you broken my favorite vase, but I forgive you, but I can't forgive you for that either, her mother said to her very firmly. Okay, so afterwards, do you know what Parna said to her mother? Parna looked at her mother and she said, but I didn't mean to break your favorite vase. She said to her mother that I didn't mean to break your favorite vase, and even I said sorry. So Parna said to her mother that I didn't mean to break your favorite vase last week, and even I said sorry. So afterwards, what happened? Parna's mother said to Parna, same goes with Varsha also. Parna, same goes with Varsha also. Varsha didn't mean to break the toy, the signal toy, and she even said sorry to you. Okay, so saying sorry is very important in forgiving. Okay, so at the end, what happened? Parna understood that forgiving others is very important in our life. So at the end, Parna decided to go to the Varsha's house. She said to her mother, Parna said to her mother that I will go to Varsha's house and I will say sorry to her. I will forgive her. Okay, I want to be friends with her again, and it is more important to me than a toy. She said to her mother that to be friends with Varsha is very important for me than a toy. So Parna's mother said that I'm sure she will be happy to friends with you again, and friends always forgive each other's mistakes. So her mother realized, so her mother made her realized, okay, Parna's mother made her realize that forgiving others is very important in our life. It makes that person also who has hurt us happy, and even it makes us also happy. Okay, so students, this was all about today's story. So students, what is important in today's lesson? That forgiving others. We have seen that how Parna did with Varsha, okay, and how she learned to forgive others. So now students, this was all about today's story. Now let's understand something. Now we are going to read something, and we are going to circle the key points. You also open the textbook, and you are going to open this page. Okay, you are going to take pencil with pencil in your hands, and we are going to just circle the keywords. Okay, so what we have understood from today's lesson. So let's read. Forgiving others is not easy, but there are some things which help us understand why people hurt us. Okay, it's not easy, but there are some things which help us understand why people hurt us. Knowing this help us to forgive them. Knowing the reason why someone hurt you, someone might hurt you by mistake. So sometimes students, what happened that someone might hurt us by mistake also, and we feel that he has hurt us purposely. Okay, but sometimes what happened, he hurt us by mistake. For instance, your friend may have hit you because he was upset at losing a match. Understanding this helps you to forgive him. That means what, students? So here I would like to circle understanding word. You also circle. So understanding is very important when you forgive to the person. When you forgive to other person, at that time understanding is very important. Knowing something about a person, your friend has a toothache. Okay, your friend has a toothache and is in a bad mood. He's in a bad mood. You did not know this. You ask her to join you at a play. She pushes you away. Understanding why she is upset will help you to forgive her. So students, you don't know that your friend has toothache, and that's why she's in a bad mood. But you have to understand that why she's upset, and then you can forgive her because she pushed you away. So we have to understand the other's situation. Okay, they are in a which condition, or they are suffering from which situation, that we have to understand. Next we are going to read. Feeling sorry for a person. A new boy in your class has no friends. So sometimes when you speak to him, he sounds rude. Knowing that he has no friends helps you to forgive him. So we have to understand that why he is not speaking with us properly, because he has no friends. Forgiveness means letting go of feelings like anger and sadness when someone hurts you. Okay, so students, we know that what is mean by forgiveness. It means let go of the feelings like anger and sadness. So sometimes what happen, we feel angry towards other persons, we feel sad for others. At that time, when someone hurts us, at the time what we have to do, we have to forgive them. Okay, now we are going to talk about some things. So students, here first thing we can see that 3 things for which you need to forgive each other in class. Now we are just going to talk, so you can talk with your parents also. Now which 3 things are there which we need to forgive each other in class? So you have to think. Okay, so which 3 things are there for which we need to forgive each others in class? So students, you have to think here that which mistakes you do in class. Okay, sometimes even sometimes what happens, by mistakenly we push to our friends. Okay, first thing we are going to talk, by mistakenly we push to our friends. At that time we have to forgive that friends, we have to forgive that friend. So this is one kind of thing. And which other things can we talk about here, for which we need to forgive each others in class? Sometimes what happens, by mistakenly we take others things also, right? By mistakenly to use we take others things also. So at the time what we have to do, we have to understand that another friend's situation, that he doesn't have that thing, that's why he took that thing, so we have to forgive him, like this. Next, three ways in which you can forgive someone. So students, here which three ways can we think? Think. Yes, here we can use polite words, right? To forgive someone, we can use polite words like it's okay. Okay, it's okay. That is very important word here. It's okay. So we can use that word. Even we can give some greeting cards also, right? To forgive someone. Next, make a list of some words or sentences to say to someone when you forgive them. Okay. Now here we have to make a list of some words when we forgive to others. So one word which I have already told you, that is it's okay. Okay. See, it's okay we can use, and which words can we use, students? Think. Yes. Can we use fine? Okay, we can use fine words also. So it's okay, then fine arts are the words which we use to forgive others. Okay, so you can add more words also. Now we are going to do one activity. So students, for that you have to open page number 21. Okay, open page number 21. Let's have fun. First activity we are going to solve now, we are going to do, sorry. So students, now can you see this on page number 21? Let's have fun. So let's read first of all, then we are going to do the activity. When you hurt your friend, you cause him or her pain. But when you say, I am sorry, and your friend forgives you, the pain will go. Here is an activity to help you remember this. Follow the instructions below. So we are going to copy two hearts on a piece of paper. Cut out both the hearts and fold them into halves. Glue the hearts together back to back and decorate the hearts with happy words about peace. So students, now can you see here I have taken an orange paper. So you can take any paper which you have, which is available in your house. You have to take a piece of paper which is there in a rectangle shape. Can you see this paper is there in a rectangle shape, and now I am going to draw two hearts on this paper. So here students, you can see that I have drawn two hearts on the paper. Okay, so first of all you have to take a piece of paper, any color, and you have to draw two hearts on the paper. Okay, use black sketch pen to draw two hearts on the paper. Now we are going to cut these two hearts. Okay, so students, now here you can see that I cut both the hearts. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to fold them in a half. So students, now here you can see that I have decorated also to that two hearts. If you have any other decorative material, then you can use, and you can just decorate your hearts. Now what we are going to do, students, we are going to join these two hearts back to back like this. Okay, so we are going to join them like this with the glue. So students, like this we are going to join our two hearts together. Can you see this? Yes. Now we are going to write happy words on this. Okay, the words which indicates forgiveness, that we are going to write here. We are going to write forgiveness with the help of sketch pen. If you have sketch pen, you can write, or you can write with the pen also. So students, now this is how we are going to write some happy words on the on our article. So here you can see that I have written it's okay, fine, right? Now here you can see that I have written happy and I have drawn a smiley face. That means these are happy words which indicates forgiveness. Okay, even you can see that here I have written forgiveness also. So this is how you are going to make the article. I hope you all liked this activity, and please try it at home. Okay, so this was our first activity, and now students, second activity which is there of coloring the sentence. Okay, so second activity which is there on page number 21, that is color the poster below. That will be homework to you. Okay, you are going to do it at home. Now we are going to solve the second activity of life skills. So please come on page number 22, and first activity will be also homework to you. So I'll send you the homework through prisms. You have to do the second activity now with me. Okay, first activity will be homework. You are going to do it at home. So students, now what we are supposed to do here, we have to circle the sentences which we should say and cross out the ones you should not say. So I am going to do it on screen, and you are going to do it in textbook. So open page number 22. Now what we are going to do, we have to circle the sentences which we should say and cross out the sentences which we should not say. So I will never forgive you. So students, we know that this is a wrong statement. We should not say this statement to anyone. We should learn to forgive the others. So we are going to cross it. You cross it with pencil. Okay, you cross it with pencil. Next one, it's okay, I also make mistakes. So here students, we know that we should say this. So we are going to circle it. Okay, next, I will forgive you only if you do something for me. So students, do we have to say this to anyone? No. So we have to forgive we have to forgive others without any expectations. So we are going to cross it. Thank you for saying sorry. So students, we know that we should not say this to anyone. Thank you for saying sorry. So students, we know that if anyone says sorry to us, like what we have written in the activity now, it's okay or fine, right? So we have to say it's okay or it's fine instead of saying thank you. Okay, if someone says sorry to us, we have to say okay or fine. So here this is the wrong. So you have to cross out the sentences with pencil, and with pencil you have to do this activity. So students, this was all about today's session. I hope you all have understood that why it is important to forgive others, because it makes others also happy and it makes us also happy. So we have to learn that we have to learn to forgive others, right? So this was all about today's session. Homework I'll send you through prisms. Please do it, which is there in textbook. We are going to meet in next session, and yes students, the notes of this lesson, the notes of third lesson also I am going to send you through prisms. So write the notes properly, complete it. Okay, now we are going to meet in next session. Till then, take care and thank you students.